exciting Father's Day adventures in perspiration. Isn't that right?
That's right. This is my Disneyland hat that I bought for $40.
Leather?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
It's gonna be very sweaty, but my wife said, when are you gonna wear that? So she had a point.
Well,
so I'm wearing it.
very savoir. And that's 3D printed right there.
No.
What's going on? Oh no!
Because what happens? The exhaust is very corrosive.
Indeed.
And it just rusted through the wires. All right.
I can stay here if you want. Go back.
We have one left.
We have one left.
Where's my box?
On to Pen C.
This is why we have contingencies.
Yes.
All right, I'm good.
Still working, trying to figure out.
Any light?
No, not at all.
Oh, you got to be kidding me. Somebody. Come back, come back. Wind isn't blowing it out, come back. I think it's gonna drift. There you go. Alright, landing the park. Yep, I think it's good. It's good. Nice. In the road. In the road. All right. Yep, go get it. And here it is in the street. Three, two, one, lift off.
We changed it.
Look at the slug.
We changed it.
Look at the slug.
Oh, did you see that smoke ring?
Yeah, smoke ring.
Cool.
Where is it? It's disappeared already. All right, good to go. Sky is clear, engine clear. Continue is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Whoa!
We changed it.
Look at the slug.
Oh, did you see that smoke ring?
Yeah, smoke ring.
Cool.
Where is it? It's disappeared already. Oh, I didn't get it.
Well, we jinxed it.
Happy Father's Day!
Three, two, one. Five, four, three. Hold on, Dad. Is that on the camera?
Yes.
Okay.
Are they on?
5, 4,
I don't know.
3, 2, 1.
That's a nice flight.
We don't want any rocket fencing.
Okay, so that before you guys launch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just letting my camera sit out here in the sun. Blue chute. Ready to turn off? Okay, no, still recording.
Two, one, blast off.
Four, three, two, one. Oh, nice flight.
Coming straight down.
Yeah, it's my only streamer rocket. You know, when I first started with these streamers, they were way too long.
Well, you know.
And then I watched you guys. Guys, clear. Continuity. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Good flight. Nice.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a cruise missile.
Continuity is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Wouldn't that be funny if it landed in a swimming pool?
Clear. Range is clear. Continuity is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
What was that shut off?
Ejection charge.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ready?
Yep, go for lunch.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Opening up his
5,
monster.
4, 3, 2, 1. Green it.
3.
Oh no, it didn't come out.
Oh no!
It's gonna be scrambled.
It's a good thing. It's not gonna drift.
It's gonna get scrambled.
What happened here? That's good enough. Continuity is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Terraform.
Look how you can't see the sky. Sky's clear. Continuity. Firing in 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
I like the sound. I'm not sure about the neighbors, but
Well, the reason why it did that is because it's got this cool decal on the side.
Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice and
Oh,
straight.
nice. God, you couldn't get in.
Think about lighter rockets, you'll be
Whether they're taking us a chance or two.
Could be out of the park.
Oh, on the top of the tree.
Like a beautiful angel.
Recovery ships. This might be a rescue ship. Let's see.
So, what happened here?
Did it scramble? Yeah. Did it open? I see liquid.
Oh, you do? Oh, no, I think it's still
In one piece?
in one piece. It didn't break the
Shell?
barrier, but I mean it was halfway to broken already.
Oh, just a little bit.
Still.
No, there's a big dent on the other side. On your side, Christopher.
No juice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is this?
No juice.
No,
It's not leaking.
So it did not crack the egg. Well,
Okay.
it's clearly cracked, but
all right, now take the egg out. We have to prove that it is not boiled.
yeah. I don't know, man.
Now throw it.
Is that boiled?
Well, throw it in the air. Let's find out.
Can I I could probably oh, yeah.
Yeah. The membrane's still there.
This is the fanciest way to candle an egg I've ever seen.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, we're feeding the birds?
Through propellants. No, the ants.
Oh, we're feeding the ants, right.
Okay,
'Cause
go.
we missed the pitter-patter of little feet.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Whoa!
Yep. Yay. Good eating, little ants.
Oh, no. You're home.
Come to Papa.
Oh, damn it. This is the one time that you're allowed to catch it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That'll be an interesting video. Oh no. It was packed in too tight.
Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Sounded cool. Oh, smoke trail.
Double. Bonk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Yeah, good flight.
So what's your CG to CP ratio? 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a lot lighter.
Yeah.
Roger.
All right, we're launching green eggs with a nylon chute this time. But we don't have any more eggs, so we're launching with cosmic Easter eggs. Space themed. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a lot lighter.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Huh.
Bye, shoot.
Sorry, Dad. My son lost my parachute.
I don't think it's coming down.
It's gonna stay out there. We should have put like an advertisement for the club up there too. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Yeah. No, that's.
Body separated.
No.
It's all good.
It's all good.
Maybe we should put a C11 in there.
Yeah.
D12 something.
D12, same as last time, but a lot less weight. Hey, come on this way. Come on.
Oh, there's no egg.
It's that volcano tornado thing going on.
Yeah, it's the fumes from the Waianae volcano. See the clouds above the Waianae volcano?
We do speculate that there is some like air that comes up out of the canal.
Look, it's hanging up there. It's not even moving.
Yep. Oh boy.
Come with me and you'll see.
Oh, rocking in an everlasting wonder.
That's right.
Yeah, maybe it's going home.
Man, that's my lucky pink chute too.
Wow.
No, just kidding.
This is Willy Wonka and the.
Man, you know how much plastic eggs cost?
Alright. So we were just going down the road there and we saw it right here because of the pink parachute. Pink, hot pink is the best color for
I told
rocket.
you that was my lucky pink chute.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let me try to get it in there.
Huzzah.
Here, I got the rocket.
It went up.
It's a streamer, so
Huh. Should have gone out by now.
I see it. I'm pointing.
orange streamer.
The streamer didn't come out.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
3, 2, 1, down. Second base.
Gotcha.
There you go.
Better. It's a better
Yeah.
flight.
Look at that. See
Uh-oh.
how straight it is?
Yeah, that was 5 seconds. It's gonna land right next to Keith's.
Yeah, so C6-3 or C5-3 would be perfect. Perfect motor.
Put nose weight in there?
Yay, in the park.